Slime Time Live, coming up next.
Hey, welcome to Slime Time, behind the scenes, where we're going to be making the slime for your relay game that we're going to play in just a couple minutes. So, I'm here with my cousins. We have Ava, who's in 6th grade, Katrina, who's in 7th grade, thank you, and we have Mackenzie. And what grade are you in, Mackenzie?
1st grade.
Yeah, kid. So, tell us, how do you do this thing? What is this? This is like, you're playing with a little bit right here, Mackenzie, and this is what we call slime. So, how's it done?
So the only ingredients that you really need to make slime are glue and laundry detergent, but
we're going to be making this special slime for you that includes glue, laundry detergent, soap, lotion, and food coloring.
Sweet. Okay, so let's get started. What's the first step?
So your first step is to add glue.
Elmer's glue. Don't eat this stuff. I know it looks appetizing. Okay. Then what's next?
Next, you can add food coloring or
Awesome.
paint.
It's like snot. Okay. What's our next step then?
Next, you can add soap and lotion. It doesn't really matter what powder.
Okay. Just a few squirts in there. We are working with true professionals here.
And then you can add your activator, which is laundry detergent. This is what makes it the slime.
You don't want to add in too much because then it can ruin your slime, but you want to add in
A little at a time.
Yeah.
And you'll know it's done once it starts sticking off the bowl.
Okay. This is the very batch that we're going to be using in the game you're going to be playing in about 1 minute. The more laundry detergent you put in, the more what?
The less sticky it is.
Okay. This is a sweatshop of slime making.
So now I'm just gonna knead it because it started to like fall apart, kind of.
Okay. So what
Because
is kneading?
Like you just flip it.
Okay. Okay, and what you end up with then is something like what's in here, and this thing is awesome. This is like,
Should we show them a bubble at the end?
we're gonna show you a bubble with this slime time slime. Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Oh, McKenna, Mac, hey, how you doing there, kiddo? All right, so we're gonna show you a bubble right now, and then when we come back, we're gonna launch into our own slime time. So we'll see you soon.
Such a free feeling that you got me feeling. We're all good, all good, all good. I love this free feeling that you got me feeling. We're all good, all good, all good. Said I love that free feeling that you got me feeling. We're all good, all good, all good.
All right, so you guys ready to play some crazy relay game with this slimy slime?